Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn the different objects that are commonly used in the classroom. Are you ready? Let's start! Here are the different objects that are commonly used in the classroom. Bag, chalk, chalkboard, pencil, paper, eraser, sharpener, crayons, glue, scissors, book, notebook, desk, and chair. This time, encircle the objects that are commonly used in the classroom. Good job, kids! You want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!